Do the other side. I made it work. Thank you for the rose. Does it shake when you walk? Probably not. It's kind of too small. It's a little too small. It's a little too small. It's a little too small. What was I about to say? And with 6 classes and 40 hours of work, I don't know, that does like, that was a pet peeve of mine. When people are like, oh my gosh, you should go to the gym more. I'm like, girl, I wish I had the time. I wish I had the time. I don't. I wish. Hey, that'd be great if I did. Wait, what the heck? Wait. What the heckin' was that? The heckin' was that?
Damn, these fucks stink, these fucks stink. These fucks stink, these fucks stink. Damn, damn.